The recent buzz around some more Chinese apps getting banned in India has caused a massive stir online as people try to search for some app alternatives. Now, many of you guys were asking for PUBG Mobile alternatives because that is one of the apps that might get banned in India. Now, the app is actually pretty unique in itself and it provides a lot of entertainment for people who are actually stuck in their houses during the lockdown. But like anything else in life, you need to have a plan B. My name is Shubham Raheja, you're watching Gadget 360 and these are our top alternatives to PUBG Mobile. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? Yeah? No? It's alright. Just smash that subscribe button down there and hit that bell icon so that you know exactly when we put out our latest videos. Call of Duty Mobile was launched last year in October, and since then the game has grown rapidly to match the popularity of PUBG Mobile. While it is a first-person shooter first, it has a Battle Royale mode with a sprawling map that even includes zombies. It doesn't have a variety of maps that PUBG Mobile offers, but you get to choose a class for yourself. The game also gets updated every month and new game modes and weapons are constantly added. Now, before you get all riled up and go, hey, this game was made by Tencent as well. Well, yeah, technically this game is made by Tencent, but it was published by Activision, which is American. That might be the reason why this game, COD Mobile, wasn't included on the list of apps that are rumored to be banned in India. Fortnite is probably the first name that comes to your mind after PUBG Mobile while listing Battle Royale games. The cool thing about this game is that unlike PUBG Mobile, Fortnite on your smartphone supports cross-platform functionality, so you can go up against PC and console gamers. Now, the aesthetics of the game are very different from PUBG, and you also have build mechanics where you're supposed to build walls, ramps, ceilings, roofs and floors to build fortifications around you. This helps you take strategic cover when engaged in combat or even while using a med box. You can download this game on both Android and iOS. This is definitely one of the underdogs of smartphone Battle Royale scene. Despite as many as 100 million downloads, this game hasn't become a household name, but I couldn't really find much wrong with it. You will feel very much at home if you're coming from PUBG Mobile to this, except that the duration for a single Battle Royale game is 10 minutes and only 50 people can participate. You can play this game for free on iOS and Android. One thing comes to our mind when we play Battlelands Royale. Oh my god, so cute! It builds on the same formula as other Battle Royales, but with its own twist. This game offers a top-down perspective and simplifies a lot of things. For instance, only 32 players can play in one match. Dropping down on the map takes only a matter of seconds instead of taking forever with a parachute, and because of all these simplifications, you get a non-stop, no-frills action. Battlelands Royale is available on both Android and iOS. Most of the games we have talked about before are mostly inappropriate for kids because of violence and bloodshed. Well, this game is great for kids and adults alike. There's no blood or gore because you're squirting butter and food on everybody, and the characters are really adorable. The game in itself is incredibly colorful and it flows smoothly like butter. The only downside to it is that you will require an Apple Arcade subscription to play it. But hey, if you haven't started your free trial yet, this is a must try. And those were our top 5 alternatives to PUBG Mobile. You wanna play a match? Let us know in the comments. And for all things tech, log on to gadget360.com.